Hey everyone, as you can see, my YouTube channel is live right now. Blue Ninja TV, go check it out. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. Now, I bought this car because I never had it before, and I got it on Walmart. So it's the 2016 Alfa Romeo. I'm gonna open it so you can see, guys. Wait, let me show you right now, and let me open it. Now that I opened it, you can now check to see. Let me just, so you can see. Let me in the comments below to check to see if you like this car or if you like better